Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to break dance robot style. Start by understanding the core concept of robot dancing, isolation. This means moving one body part at a time, like a machine. Focus on sharp, sudden stops, often called popping or locking, to mimic a robot's jerky movements. We'll explore how to make your body appear as if it's controlled by gears and circuits, creating a truly convincing robotic illusion. Now, let's tackle the iconic robot walk. Start by moving one foot forward, then the other, keeping your body rigid. Your arms are crucial here. Keep them stiff and move them in sharp, angular motions, like pistons. Try creating a wave effect, making it seem as though energy is flowing from your shoulder to your fingertips, but with robotic precision and control. Next, we'll focus on head and torso isolation. Your head should move independently, almost as if it's on a separate mechanism. Practice sharp tilts and turns, stopping abruptly. For your torso, think of it as several distinct segments. Move your chest, then your waist, then your hips, each with a clear, defined stop, creating a truly mechanical appearance. Now it's time to bring everything together. Start by combining your isolated head, arm, and torso movements with the robot walk. Focus on smooth, yet still robotic, transitions between each step and gesture. Practice regularly, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes daily, to build muscle memory and refine your precision. Experiment with varying speeds to truly master the robot style.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.